Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to view your order history in Saks Fifth Avenue app. If you don't have a Saks Fifth Avenue account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 10% off on your next Saks.com purchase. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Account. At the upper left part of the screen, you will see an option for Orders. Tap on Orders. Now you will see your order history. That's how you view your order history in Saks Fifth Avenue app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.